Ever wondered what the difference between Bitcoin and altcoins is? Well, you're not alone. Cryptocurrencies have been making waves in the financial world, with their rise to fame nothing short of a digital revolution. This intriguing frontier of finance has captured the attention of many, from Wall Street moguls to the everyday smartphone user. Let's rewind a bit to the year 2009. A mysterious figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, the world's first cryptocurrency. This digital currency, with its decentralized nature and blockchain technology, sparked a new era in finance. Bitcoin quickly became the talk of the town, dominating the market and becoming synonymous with the term cryptocurrency. But here's the twist: Bitcoin is just the tip of the iceberg. Beneath the surface, an entire ecosystem of other cryptocurrencies known as altcoins is waiting to be explored. So buckle up, because Bitcoin isn't the only player in the game. Let's dive into the world of altcoins. So, what exactly are altcoins? Well, let's break it down. The term altcoins is short for alternative coins, and as the name suggests, these are alternatives to Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency. Born from the desire to address and improve upon the perceived limitations of Bitcoin, altcoins have been making waves in the crypto ocean. Now, there are thousands of altcoins, each with its own unique twist. Some of the most notable ones include Ethereum, which introduced smart contracts into the blockchain world, Litecoin, often considered the silver to Bitcoin's gold due to its faster transaction times, and Ripple, a real-time global settlement network that offers instant, low-cost international payments. Altcoins are not just Bitcoin clones, they bring innovation, diversity, and choice to the crypto market. They're like the various flavors of ice cream in a sundae bar. Each one has its unique taste and appeal. But wait, there's another term you need to know: tokens. Coins and tokens, they're the same, right? Wrong. It's a common misconception, but coins and tokens are two distinctly different entities in the world of cryptocurrencies. Let's start with coins. Coins, like Bitcoin and altcoins, are independent. They operate on their own separate blockchains. Imagine them as the original superheroes, each with their own unique origin story and universe. Now let's talk about tokens. Tokens are the sidekicks. They don't have their own universe, but instead, they operate on existing blockchains. They're like Robin to Batman. They rely on another's blockchain for their existence, but don't underestimate them. Tokens often have a special power. They can be used to create smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. It's like having a personal digital lawyer on your team. Now that we've cleared that up, let's summarize what we've learned. Let's do a quick recap. We've taken a roller coaster ride through the thrilling world of cryptocurrencies. We kicked things off with Bitcoin, the vanguard of this digital revolution, the first of its kind that sparked a new era in finance. Then we dove deep into the sea of altcoins, those daring alternatives to Bitcoin that dared to do things a little differently. From Litecoin's faster block generation times to Ethereum's smart contracts, altcoins have shown us there's more than one way to digitally skin a cat. And finally, we examined the fine lines between tokens and coins. Remember, not all cryptocurrencies are minted equal. Tokens are built on existing blockchains and tend to represent assets or utilities, while coins have their own independent blockchains and are often used as currency. Cryptocurrencies can be a complex world, but with a bit of knowledge, you'll be navigating it like a pro. Until next time, keep exploring.